Oh boy, check this out, guys. This is in our tips and tricks because it's pretty handy here. So let's do something kind of fun, okay? I'm going to just make a little square holding my left mouse down, and I go like this and let go. Now I have an option. I could put a dimension there. If I want, I could put a, I'm sorry, I have to come in here. I can go ahead and put in a red cloud if I want. Of course, you can move it around, do those fun things. If I wanted to, I could take this and highlight it, copy it to a clipboard, or I could actually say, hey, I want to go ahead and start a measurement. And when I hit that, it'll put that hardwood floor right there. That's pretty cool. But what if I wanted to add a note? I don't have to come up here to do it. I can actually come in here and do this. Add note. Let's make it hello world. And there you have it. Okay, I can adjust the font size and the opacity and the text color and all kinds of stuff. All that just from just holding your left mouse down and dragging. You could select any of these options, okay? Just a real handy dandy tip for you guys in our tip and tricks section. Thanks for watching.